Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is October 23rd, 2014. It's now 2:54 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets all closed up. The S&P closed up. Price has confirmed above 1900, so the new support level is now set at 1900. We're approaching the bottom of this long-term uptrend channel. Resistance is at 2012. The NASDAQ 100 futures also closed up. Support is at 3675, and this is the 61.8% fib retracement level. Resistance is at 4113. The US dollar closed up slightly. The short-term downtrend channel has been redrawn, and this can be seen by the red dashed lines. Resistance is at 22.99. Support is at 21.81 as seen by the green oval. Here's the Adx analysis chart for Thursday, October 23rd. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the Adx analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There's one strong currency and one weak currency. The qualified pair is the New Zealand dollar yen. And here's our trade summary chart for October. For open trades, presently there aren't any open trades. As for new orders, no new orders were placed today. Let's now look at some price charts. First, we'll look at our one qualified pair on the New Zealand dollar yen. Over the last couple weeks, price has been going sideways. This tentatively would be a bearish trade. We didn't enter an order today because the current price to the entry price is over 130 pips. The New Zealand dollar today was the weak currency. So let's look at some currency pairs with the New Zealand dollar. First is the Aussie New Zealand dollar. Price over the last couple of months has been moving sideways. Here's a Euro New Zealand dollar. After breaking out of its sideways channel, price has formed a new sideways channel. Here's the Pound New Zealand dollar. We see similar price action to the Euro New Zealand dollar. Price had broken out of a sideways channel and has now formed a new sideways channel. Now we see the New Zealand Canadian dollar. Price over the last couple of weeks has been moving sideways. Next is the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Over the last couple of weeks, price has been moving sideways. We've already looked at the New Zealand dollar yen. And last is the New Zealand US dollar. After breaking out of the sideways channel with a strong downward movement because of the strength of the US dollar, the last couple weeks have seen a sideways channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com. There you can request a free trading guide. My podcasts are on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the two indexes. 3. Background on the Adx Indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US Dollar Index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the Adx indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The Adx indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US Dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.